Hello guys, today I have this huge package here. It's a salon tray. It's like a card for a salon. Okay, I'm going to leave the package here because it's heavy. Okay guys, so we're going to start doing the product. Okay, here it comes the instructions. So first I'm going to take all the parts from the box, and then I'm going to start doing it. So that's the final product, and I like it because, well, it has there the wheels, so you can move it, you can turn it around. Okay, so I think it's perfect, and I like it because here you can put like the things to do your hair. Okay, here another things, here also another one, maybe here a glass or the tint to do your hair. Okay guys, I already bring some things to put it here. For example, I have these scissors, maybe I can put it there. Okay, well, I like that part. Then I have here the tint. Okay, I can put it like this, and I have also this product. Okay, maybe I can put it here, but I think it's too big, so let me show you. Okay, for example, I have here the things for my hair, and maybe I can put it like this. Put it, what else is here inside? Okay, I have also this one, I can put it here. Okay, and this one, maybe, well, maybe just the other way. Well, let me, there, that one, and here this one, and there is like the final product. What do you think about it?